In the previous lesson, we learned that Power BI Desktop, the desktop application, is the component of Power BI that developers use to create content that gets published to Power BI Service. But what exactly is Power BI Service and how does it all relate? Power BI Service is the online component of Power BI, the central location where you can conveniently access the reports and datasets for your organization. But it is more than just a file repository. You can explore recently updated datasets, interact with reports, collaborate with colleagues, and even create content to tell your own compelling stories. So how does Power BI Service relate to the Power BI desktop application? Well, as mentioned in our previous video, developers publish the reports they create in the desktop app to the Power BI service. Once published, the developers can grant you and others within your organization access to the reports and the reports datasets. The dataset, by the way, is simply the underlying data that is used to create the report. Once the developer has granted you access, you will receive a link to the report. You can easily find the reports to which you have access in your Power BI service account. Designers may create additional content from reports such as dashboards and apps. All content to which you have been granted access can easily be found inside your Power BI service. In our next lesson, we will discuss the building blocks of Power BI and define some frequently used terms to help you build a strong understanding of business intelligence concepts before we dive into our demonstrations in the service.